short video about my Hyundai air compressor. It's 750 watt, 24 litre. I've got it set up in my garage because I don't have mains electricity. I run it through an inverter, which is a 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter, and that's powered off two leisure batteries, which are 100 amp 12 volt. They're powered by a solar panel that feeds into a Victron smart charge controller, and then so that charge controller trickle feeds these leisure batteries through the inverter, and then it powers this air compressor. So I'll just start the air compressor so we can see how long it takes to charge up. You can see it's a fairly quiet air compressor because I'm still able to talk and I'm only about 2-3 foot away from it. It'll charge up to about 7 bar before it'll stop. It's good enough for small air tools, just for short bursts and easy, simple jobs. We're almost there, and then I'll stop the video. Okay, there we go. Thanks for watching.